Okay, so is this terrazzo?
Yes, of course, it's terrazzo.
Okay.
It's gonna look like terrazzo, but it's terrazzo underneath the door.
Okay, can terrazzo be fixed?
Well, yes, terrazzo can be fixed. If you use the right tools and the right expertise, it can be used. You can see there, we got the sample, and you can see this here, this is terrazzo. Come on, close. See?
Right.
And then this is the terrazzo.
This one is the one fixed.
Yeah, almost fixed. And this is the Krasma. Cipriano. Yeah.
Oh yeah,
No, but see,
I'll stick to the wood, I guess, right?
difference between that terrazzo there and this terrazzo there. ¿No ve la diferencia?
¿Cuál la vieja que quería la rosa ya no te llamó?
Ah, yo te lo voy a decir ahora, ¿vale? La voy a llamar ahora.
La vieja la rosa.